Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with an update. I now have 10.5 credits. Yes. Okay, so I just did Earth Science. Finished it. It was so easy. All I did was, I didn't go through it. Like, I just did all the exams without studying anything at all, pretty much. On one of them, I did get a 65, which is the minimum, but I did get 80s and up on it. It was pretty simple, like, it's like the basic things that we know about the rain, about space, gravity. It talks about gravity, so gravity, the equator, the around the world, the globes, this and that, rain, oceans, earthquakes, all the basic things. So once you get to it, it's pretty simple. There is no writing on it either. It's all multiple choice. Also, I did get a question about somebody wanted to transfer their credits from their school. They had 13 point something credits. All you do is you go to the help and or something document section on the right hand side, and it's gonna give you the option to it's like pretty much it gives you the option to print out a paper, right? That you sent that paper to your old school, and your old school goes ahead and it's pretty much requesting your credits to PENNFOSTER. So it requests your credits from to PENNFOSTER. You could do it in two ways. You could send them that letter to the school, and then they just send the stuff to PENNFOSTER, or you could send the school an email, and they could email, fill in all that stuff and send it to PENNFOSTER, so you could get your credits transferred over. It's super simple. I haven't done it. I started with 0 credits. I just didn't want to go through the trouble of waiting for my credits to get transferred. So I just started from 0. It's pretty simple because most of the things we already know. But if you want to go ahead and transfer your credits, that's even, it's a little better because you get to finish a lot faster. Me being in 10.5 credits, all I got to do now is, I guess, let's see, 6 more courses, and then 5 electives, and then I get my high school diploma. So I just finished Earth Science. I'm in the very next one now. I don't know if there's any essays to do on this one. I've been getting questions about that one, but after I finish it, I'm going to continue it later on tonight. After I finish it, I'm going to let you all know if there is any more essays that has to be done. To me, it feels like there would be, depending, like, the reading that I'm noticing. If there might be essays. Hopefully there ain't, because I am now in the state of Rhode Island visiting family, and I don't have my computer on me, so all I got to work with is my tablet and my phone. So for me to write an essay, I mean, I could do it still, but I like it looking a little bit more professional using WordPad than typing it up on my phone or my tablet. But it's alright. Well, that's the updates for today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to keep getting more updates on my newest videos, and also click that like button. Also, I also want to know, like, where my subscribers are from. I want to know about the people watching my videos. What is the state that you're from, country that you're from? I want to know, like, right now I'm in Rhode Island. I am from Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, and so I want to know where everybody's from, and say hi. Drop a comment. Well, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like. I want to get out there. And see you on my next update. See ya.